Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We solve the exercise point 4.4. The question number 1 is rationalize the denominator of the following: 3 over 4 under root 3. Now we have to rationalize, mean we will remove the radical sign from the denominator. Now this is equal to, again we write this 3 over 4 under root 3. Now again we write this is equal to 3 under root 3, we multiply by this, again 4 under root 3 and under root 3 is equal to 3 under root 3 and here 4 and under root 3 square. Now this here is equal to, this will cancel this and you have 3 under root 3 over this 4 multiplied by 3. Now 3 will cancel 3 and you have under root 3 over 4. Now this is the first question. Number 2 is 14 over under root 98. Now this this multiply by under root 98 over under root 98 is equal to 14 under root 98 over 98 whole square. Now this we write, and we write again is equal to 14 under root 98 and this will cancel this and you have 98, and again now 14 ones are 14 sevens are. Now here 98 over 7. Now we again write 98 4 7 multiply 7 multiply by 2 over 7. Now again is equal to, we write under root 7 square and under root 2. Now this over 7, this will cancel and we have 7 under root 2 over 7. 7 will cancel 7 and you have under root 2. Now this is the answer. Now the question number 6, 3, the third part of this, 6 over under root 8 and under root 27. Now is equal to 6 and we write the under root 8 2 2 this, and again 27 we write 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Here also again is equal to 6 over under root 2 की power 2 and multiply by 2. 2 is this, we combine this 2 and we write 2 power 2 and again under root 3 power square and multiply by 3. Again we separate this, we write separately under root 2 square this and under root 3 square, again also write we under root 2 and under root 3. Here 6 over and we cancel this and we write 2 and this radical sign we cancel 2 with 3 and again under root 2 and under root 3 is equal to, this 3 ones are 3 twos are and 2 twos are, or now 1 over under root 6. This again multiply by under root 6 and under root 6 and we write also under root 6 over under root 6 whole square. Now under root 6 over this will cancel this and you have this. Now this is the third part of the question. Now this is the, we write the fourth part. Fourth part is 1 over 3 plus 2 under root 5. Now we will multiply the conjugate of this. Conjugate of mean we will change the sign of the radical sign. Now 1 over, again we write 3 plus 2 under root 5 multiply by, we multiply and divide by the conjugate of this, 3 minus 2 under root 5 over also 3 minus 2 under root 5. Now is equal to, here 3 minus 2 under root 5, and we write it in brackets, 3 plus 2 under root 3, again 2 minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 under root 5 over, now this is a plus b and a minus b. Now we write here 3, this 3, and 3 here, this 3. Now 3 square minus 2 under root 3 whole square. Now this 3 minus 2 under root 5 and 3 square 9 minus 4 multiplied by 3, this is equal to 3 minus 2 under root 5 over 9 minus 12, and is equal to 3 minus 2 under root 5 over minus 3. Now this is the answer of this question. And we write again minus 3 minus 2 under root 5 over 3. Now the question number, fifth part of this question. Fifth part is 15 over under root 31 minus 4. Now again we write is equal to 15 over under root 31 minus 4. Now we multiply the conjugate of this, it means multiply, we plus we write here under root 31 plus 4 in the denominator also, under root 31 and plus 4 is equal to this 15 multiply by under root 31 plus 4 over, in brackets under root 31 minus 4 into under root 31 and plus 4. Now we use here in brackets 31 plus 4 and over, now this we use here a minus b, a plus b, it means 31 whole square and minus 4 whole square. Now is equal to 15 in brackets 31 plus 4 over, this square we get 31 minus 16, and again 15 in brackets under root 31 plus 4 over 31 minus 16, 15. Now 15 will cancel this, and you have is equal to under root 31 plus 4. Now this is the answer of this question. Now again the question number, the sixth part of this. Sixth part is 2 in the denominator under root 5 minus under root 3. Again we multiply the conjugate of this, 2 over under root 5 minus under root 3, multiply and divide by 5 plus under root 3, here also under root 5 plus under root 3 is equal to 2 into under root 5 plus under root 3, and we use here, this is a minus b, a plus b, or we write here 5 under root square minus under root 3 whole square. Now is equal to 2 into under root 5 plus under root 3 over 5 minus 3. Under root 5, 2 this will cancel, this also cancel, this is equal to 2 under root this brackets 5 plus under root 3 over 2. Now 2 will cancel 2, and you have only under root 5 plus under root 3. Now this is the sixth part of this question. Now we write seventh part of this question. Seventh part is under root 3 minus 1 under root 3 plus 1. Now we write this. Now we multiply conjugate of this. under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 plus 1 multiply by again the conjugate of this. It means to change the sign, under root 3 minus 1 over under root 3 minus 1. Now again here, now this is the square, under root 3 minus 1 square over under root 3, this is a plus b, a minus b square minus 1 square. Now again is equal to under root 3 square plus 1 square and minus 2 formula, and under root 3 and multiply by 1. In the denominator 3 and minus 1. Here is equal to this 3 plus 1 minus 2 under root 3 over 2. Again 4 minus 2 under root 3, here in the denominator 2. We take 2 common from this, 2 minus under root 3 over 2, this will cancel, you have 2 minus under root 3. Now this is the 8th part of this, under root 5 plus under root 3 over under root 5 minus under root 3, and we write again is equal to under root 5 plus under root 3 over under root 5 minus under root 3 multiply. We multiply and divide by the conjugate of this, under root 5 plus under root 3 over under root 5 plus under root 3, here is equal to this square, we write under root 3 whole square, and we write here 5 square minus under root 3 square is equal to under root 5 whole square and plus under root 3 whole square plus 2 under root 5 under root 3 over under root 5 square 5 minus 3, we again is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 2 under root 15. In the denominator 2 is equal to 8, 5 3 is 8 and minus 2 under root 15 over 2. Now we take 2 common from this, 4 minus 2 minus under root 15 over 2, this will cancel, you have 4 minus under root 15. Now this is the answer.